Welcome. This is your space to rest, heal, and reconnect with your inner worth. Find a quiet place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Release judgment. Release comparison. You are enough. You are whole. You are loved. Let's begin. I am worthy of love, exactly as I am. I choose to treat myself with kindness and patience. My heart is open to giving and receiving love freely. I release the need to criticize my body, mind, or spirit. I am allowed to prioritize my needs without guilt. I forgive myself for past mistakes. They do not define me. I embrace my flaws. They make me beautifully human. My self-worth grows stronger with every breath I take. I am deserving of joy, peace, and unconditional love. I honor my boundaries, protecting my energy with grace. I trust myself to make choices that align with my truth. I let go of the need to seek approval from others. My imperfections are part of my unique light. I am allowed to take up space unapologetically. I am enough, even on my hardest days. My heart heals with every moment of self-compassion. I release comparison. My journey is my own. I celebrate my strengths and nurture my growth. I am a magnet for relationships that honor my worth. I am whole, complete, and deeply lovable. I speak to myself with the kindness of a best friend. My past does not dictate my future self-love. I choose to see myself through eyes of gratitude. I release fear of rejection. I am safe within myself. My confidence grows as I trust my inner voice. I am proud of how far I've come and excited for where I'm going. I radiate love, and it returns to me multiplied. I am a priority, not an option. Every day, I deepen my relationship with myself. I am a masterpiece, evolving and worthy of admiration. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the warmth of self-love glowing within you. Carry this light into your thoughts, your choices, your world. You've watered your soul. Let it bloom. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Step forward with kindness, knowing you are already complete.